the devotee is chanting, he gets, the inner guide starts to speak to him. In this verse, the acharyas say that Buddhi Yoga means that Krishna, within the heart, when we chant sincerely, Krishna reveals our relationship with him. What is our Krishna Sambandha? What is our rasa? What is our eternal relationship, our stahibhav? Krishna will speak in the heart. This is Buddhi Yogam Tam. Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam. I will reveal to you your eternal relationship with me, and I will teach you from within the heart how to cultivate it. Associate with this sadhu, hear from this sadhu, study this book, do this meditation, chant this prayer. I will guide you from in the heart how you can cultivate your eternal relationship with me, and finally you will meet me arm to arm, face to face, tooth to tooth, nail to nail. Like Gopakumar. Krishna was out with the cowherd boys and Gopakumar showed up and Krishna embraced him, rolled on the ground, and the cowherd boys were saying, "Who's this guy? Where did he come from?" Krishna is rolling on the ground in ecstasy because Gopakumar finally attained perfection, Prem Siddhi, and he entered Goloka. This is in Brihad Bhagavatamrita. So that's Buddhi Yogam. Mam upayanti te means you will meet me. I'm in your heart, and I will make an arrangement so you will meet me. Sakshat darshan. This word, Prabhupada, this verse is ending with this phrase. It says, Swayam vidate swagatim paraparam. Swayam. So this is a famous verse. This is also being brought out here. Atak Sri Krishna namadi nabhaved graham indre sevan mulkehi jivado swayam eva spuratida. Swayam spurti. Krishna will give vision of himself. How? If we become seva mukata. Sevan mukata. Sevan mukata means we have the quality, ta. The suffix ta means the quality or the tendency to do seva without motive, without personal motive. It says, and Krishna Prabhupada is always saying that means seva to the holy name, pure seva to the holy name. Atak Sri Krishna namavet graham indriyas sevan mukehi jivado. Sevan mukehi jivado. Jiva, the tongue. When our tongue is engaged in serving the holy name, Cheto Darpana Marjana, then Swayam Spurti, we get darshan.